This is Milo, a tiny, fluffy kitten with an enormous curiosity. One bright and sunny morning, while exploring, Milo spotted a shiny, colorful notebook lying open on the table. His eyes widened with excitement. Wow, look at all those colors and squiggly letters, he thought, his little heart thumping with anticipation. He couldn't wait to discover what secrets were hidden inside. With a soft meow and a few playful jumps, he landed right beside it. He gently flipped through a page, mesmerized by the strange shapes. But just as he was about to lean in for a closer look, a beautiful butterfly with shimmering wings fluttered past the window, catching his eye. "Ooh, so pretty," he chirped, forgetting all about the notebook. He chased it for a moment, but then a red ball rolled across the floor, making a delightful clattering sound. He pounced after it, tumbling and rolling around. A moment later, his own fluffy tail twitched and he started chasing it in circles, completely distracted. Feeling a bit dizzy and frustrated, Milo sat down with a soft sigh. "Oh dear," he whispered to himself. "There are so many fun things to do. How can I ever learn what's in this notebook if I keep getting distracted by everything?" He felt a little sad, thinking he'd never be able to finish anything. Just then, a wise little owl named Owlbert, who had been watching from a nearby bookshelf, glided down silently and landed beside him. With a kind and calm voice, Owlbert hooted softly, "Hello, little Milo. I see you're having trouble. The secret to learning is simple. Try focusing on just one thing at a time. When you feel your mind wandering, take a tiny break, stretch your paws, and then come back to it. Your mind will stay sharp and clear." Milo listened carefully, his ears perked up. He nodded thoughtfully. He decided to give Owlbert's advice a try. He took a slow, deep breath, just like he'd seen the big cats do, and focused all his attention back on the notebook. He started tracing the letters with his tiny paw, feeling the smooth paper beneath it. After a few minutes, he took a short break to stretch his back and wiggle his whiskers. Then he returned to the notebook and looked at a few more pages, his mind feeling fresh and ready. Slowly but surely, Milo started to understand. Focusing wasn't a superpower, it was a skill. By the end of the day, as the sun began to set, Milo looked at his work with a happy purr. He had filled half the notebook with his own little paw print drawings and scribbles. "Focusing isn't so hard after all," he exclaimed proudly. "I just need a little patience and a lot of practice." From that day forward, Milo became the most focused and curious little learner in the whole neighborhood, always ready for a new adventure in learning. We hope you enjoyed Milo's story. Remember, taking small steps and staying patient can help you achieve anything. If you loved hanging out with Milo, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun adventures. Thanks for watching.